Good evening all. Don't be fooled by how lovely my kitchen looks from behind, because around me is absolute mayhem and I've just like cleared all areas. Maybe I'll show you in a minute. Anyways, I love magnesium. Some of you may know if you watch my stories, and I've been buying this spray on Amazon, which I really like, but it's £10 for this 60ml bottle. There's me buying this thinking brilliant, forgetting I can make my own. Now, Lucy B Magnesium Flakes are the highest quality magnesium you can use in the bath, but also make your own spray. You can put it in a bottle or just have it in something, a container, and use it and put it on your body. So I'm going to show you now how to do this. Because I've got a 60ml bottle here that I'm going to transfer it to, I'm going to do about 25 grams of flakes. This is 1 kg worth of magnesium flakes, which is £8.99. It's love opening a fresh bag of anything. And as you can see, these are the purest form of magnesium. They're just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to put 25 grams in here. I'm going to put warm water. You don't want it to be boiling, but you want it to be warm, and then you're going to mix that. With this, I'm going to use 25ml of water. And then just going to stir that together, completely dissolved. With this, it will become sort of an oil, and you may see it online promoted as an oil, but usually it is, if it just says magnesium, it is normally just magnesium with water, and that's what you're buying. Magnesium is so good for the body. It really helps with promoting a deeper quality sleep. It helps with fatigue, muscles, and replenishes magnesium. It's great for unwinding, detoxifying, and it's a beautiful mineral full of goodness. Like I said, have it in the bath. You can make this spray before bed. You can put it on the soles of your feet, all over the body. That's what I normally do. I normally smother myself, to be honest. I love it. And that is just as simple as it is. There's my little magnesium liquid. Perfect. I'm just going to pop that by the side of my bed and use it. Just spray it, rub it in, and you've got your own magnesium spray with the Lucy B salts. Hope you found this interesting and useful. Really important to get a good night's sleep, but sometimes it's not always easy with kids. But do you know what? Or in general, if you're stressed, got a lot on your plate, it's not easy. But magnesium is there to help you with that, to promote and aid a better night, good quality sleep for those times you do get some sleep. And look, I'll just show you my kitchen really quickly. It's not too bad actually. And I've got myself a new book because I'm going to stop doom scrolling at night and I'm going to start reading a book. Don't let him in. I'll probably have some nightmares after this one.